Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jarell Mata. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. Of course, as you can probably see by the title, is the Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm going to be trying all these products that came in the box. I haven't actually played with any of these. These are all still in their boxes. So we're going to be trying all of these products right now in camera. So I hope that you are excited, because I'm excited. So yes, I'm very excited to be using the palette. I do not know the exact look that I'm going to be creating today, but I do have an idea in mind. It's going to be very simple. I'm not going to be using the blue today because I already did a makeup tutorial using blue eyeshadows on my lid, so you can kind of recreate it with this palette just in case you don't have the other palettes that I use on that video, but I will link it somewhere up here just in case you haven't seen that video. Let's go ahead and stop talking so much and let's get started. So if you are interested in seeing the look that I come up with, please keep on watching. So the theme for this month is vacation, which is fantastic because I'm going to go in a vacation in 2 days. I'm going to be leaving to a cruise, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to start with the eyes. So let's see what we have here, which is, this one is the Vintage Cosmetics, which we got something from the Vintage Cosmetic. I think it was an eyeliner. So this is the smoky eye brush set, and it comes with 3 little brushes. Okay, so it comes in a little plasticky cover, which is really nice. And this is definitely going to be a brush to pack the eyeshadow. Here we have a little angle blending brush, which is great to focus on the outer corner. And then we have a little tiny brush, which is for the lower lashes or your lash line, so which is good. They're very little compared to like a regular brush. So this is a regular brush, and these are like very travel friendly, so they're cute. Okay, so this brush set right here is $23.15. Now for the exciting part of the box, I'm going to be taking out the eyeshadow palette, and it comes in a white sleeve. It actually came in a bubble package, but I took it out. So this is a collaboration with Pure Cosmetics and Boxycharm, and this is what it looks like, just in case you haven't seen it. So it comes with a sleeve that just fell down. And it does have a mirror, which is so good. And this is what the palette looks like right here. Okay, so I went ahead and primed my eyes already with a little concealer. So I'm going to be using the first shade, which is Perfect. And I'm going to place that on my brow bone and working myself towards the outer corner and the crease. So just sweeping up. Okay, now using a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go into the second shade right here, and this one is called Naked. So they are a little powdery. I don't know if you can see all that excess. So this shade, it's very orangey, nice for the crease, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just placing this color on my crease. I'm always focusing on the outer corner first, and then just working myself in, just doing little circular motions. That way it actually helps us blend. So windshield wiper motions and little circles. Let me bring you in a little closer. And I'm going to add this third color, and that one is called Belle, with the same brush. I'm just going to focus that on the crease. Really looking for that crease, and just windshield wiper motions. So using this brush by Vintage, which is what we got in our box, I'm going to go into this pink color right here, and that one is called Babe. And I am going to pick up as much color as I can, and I'm going to pack it on my lid. I'm just going to leave a little space right here empty because we're going to place a different color. So it's giving me a little bit of a texture, which I don't like that. Like it builds up and stays in some places. I don't know if you can see it. Like I've already tried to pack it as much as I can, and that is the best that I can do, and it's not a smooth application. So that color is not my favorite. Yeah, with the finger is going to work a lot better. Now going back to the angle brush, I'm going to be picking up this color right here, and I'm going to be placing that on the outer part of my lid. Okay, so going back to our blending brush, we're going to take this color right here, and we're just going to blend the edges. Okay, so let's pop this one on top. So the next thing on the box is the mascara. Let's try this one, see how it actually goes. So this is from Bella Pierre, and we've actually gotten things from Bella Pierre before in the box, and this mascara is $20. So yeah, we're going to be trying that, and I don't think that I told you, but the palette is $36. Let's go ahead and coat our lashes. I don't see that it's giving me a lot of volume. It is doing a really nice job on separating my lashes. Okay, so the mascara did make my lashes really dark. Yeah, it didn't give me any volume or anything like that. So I'm going to pop some falsies, and I'll be right back to finish the lower lashes. Anyway, so I went ahead and applied some lashes, and these are the Ardell Magnetic Accent Lashes, and they are, I'm a little impressed. I am a little impressed. Very nice. So let's go ahead and finish up with the eyes, going back to this shade right here, which is Naked, and I'm going to grab the smaller brush that came in the box, and I'm just going to run this on my lower lashes. So now I'm going to grab this color right here, which is called BFF, the same brush, and I'm just going to work it really close to the lower lash. I'm going to stand it out, as you can see. And of course, that is optional. You don't have to do it like that, but I think it looks really nice and fun. So I'm just going to grab the blending brush again, and I'm just going to run it on my lower lashes one more time just to diffuse anything. And now the last thing that we need is some mascara on our lower lashes. Okay, because I look super pale, I'm going to be actually bronzing my face using the Give Me Sun by MAC, and I'm going to be using a fluffy brush. Okay, so I'm going to be using the highlighters by Ofra. Okay, now using a pencil brush, I'm going to go into Rodeo Drive, which is this one right here, and I am going to pop that in my inner corners. And whatever is left on my brush, I'm just gonna pop it a little bit on the highest point of my brows. I'm going to grab this blush right here, which is by Pretty Vulgar, and this brand is actually sold at Sephora, which I think is great. This is the shade that I got, which is like super hot pink. I don't know how I feel about that, but let's go ahead and just pop it in our cheeks. So here it is. Just pop it on the apples of my cheeks. I'm working myself out. Okay, and I grabbed like the tiniest bit of it, and as you can see, I do have a lot of blush, so I'm just going to grab my beauty blender and just bounce it just so it can diffuse a little bit. So yeah, this is the final look right here. So this is the last product that I did not use. This one is by the brand South Main. Never heard of them before, so this is interesting. This is a 3 eye gel pack. So there's 3 uses here. It reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes your eye area, which is great. So I'm definitely going to be using this product on my trip, and I'll keep you posted. You can follow me in all of my social medias, which is Makeup by Jarrell. So yes, just remember that Boxycharm is a subscription services for $21. You get from 4 to 5 full-size products. So sometimes there are amazing products and sometimes you get those misses. So, you know, it's just what happens. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you next time. Bye.